With all due respect to the judge, a mistake. Now judge now allow this to happen. Atachia is somebody coming to disrespect the court, to frustrate the system. They want to go for their conference or whatever quickly. Fast. Because Chairman Wontumi, the guy I'm saying Bawumia campaign. We all know. Now what Bawumia is doing now and say, Monyan and Tam, Tanya Baby to my prime minister, not delegates, not be Chairman Wontumi. Tanya Baby Chairman Wontumi ruling the Bania Kache. We are saying, the national chairman of the NPP is being persecuted, and I'll plead with the judge. With all due respect, Mr. Judge or Madam Judge, with all due respect, this is a very important case. My interest is to make sure the right thing is done. Evidence, you write a judgment that nobody can contest. All the criminal cases we are seeing in court, and we are working with precedents here. Lawyers in Skytrain lawyers, if to worry lawyer, Buffer Stock lawyer, all the criminal cases in court today are oral. Lawyers, remember, after all these things, last week, what actually came up? Wontumi Samurai Boy trial. Wontumi's lawyer, Samuel Atachia, has urged the High Court to defer judgment beyond 3rd July 2026. Now, citing the registry's failure to furnish him with the record of proceedings needed to file his written submission by the court-ordered deadline of 23rd of June. Now, last week, Atachia said, they say, the new lawyer, Emma Chairman Wontumi. Now, Sisiano, or no, I catch record to say, even though court, I catch and say, Uncle, now Uncle Jane Kratana, a proceeding documents, no, now on study. In fact, Nanka was a court no, on the 17th of this month, no, and I just think on a year written submission be a free a year the defense counsel. But because Chairman Wontumi ever catch a court to say, or no, a year Chairman Wontumi no, or no appear could be any maybe because appear could be Jimmy no. The court actually said to say, even though an imbrem say or say appear could be back court, ever catch and say on a Chairman Wontumi Juma because or the rented Chairman Wontumi and answer or high or decides ordinance or render the services. Chairman Wontumi. And on the Chairman Wontumi the court has nothing to do with it. But the court, out of respect for Apia Kubi, and also not to look like they are preventing Apia Kubi from explaining himself why he's not a counsel for Chairman Wontumi. No, the learned judge actually listened to Apia Kubi's vague statement in court. Oh, we are not the answer to us. Okay, so Chairman Wontumi akofa a lawyer for Atachia. What she said, I want to rule him say. A year from the 17th, we move the 23rd. Now, a year Atachia or the new lawyer for Chairman Wontumi on to making sure send a written statement or the aba. Now, remember, judge in that day or a ruling be. Now, ruling here very important. The reason why the ruling is very important to Ochina Court or Moko and the Chairman Wontumi judgment and say, judge the ruling she was specific on some things. She was basically emphasizing on Nyomebia and to me affected the 3rd of July, a year next month, a year ruling. Inti those are not that ruling here very important. I will say yejina adwene ekosi. Obeka Saturday na Sunday Kevin Ekasa asem because Ochina something might happen in court. And when I say something might happen in court, and I say meaning BBC, but I'm trying to let you understand what Chairman Wontumi and then the lawyers so they are trying to do. I want you to understand what they are doing and why court is supposed to be very careful dealing with Chairman Wontumi and the lawyers, because the abuse of the court by Chairman Wontumi and then the lawyers from day one, it has been there. But the court, for some reason, Chairman Wontumi and then the lawyers too much room. And my fear is that at a point, abuse Chairman Wontumi and then the legal team abuse the court, it will set a bad precedent. Some lawyers in the future might capitalize on the court's generosity. You see, the court, Samurai Boy case, criminal case, I believe the court has been very generous. And when I say very generous, there are so many things that I can say court, in Isanka or more penny sikra during the trial. But for some reason, the judge on the case decided to give the accused all the opportunities to exhaust every opportunity. Send a Obinko Jina Bebinka say, na me call court and I Chairman Wontumi lawyers because say you call court there were some things that were not in our favor and a court I believe we say the court has been very generous, but the generosity in a court show Chairman Wontumi lawyers they are abusing it. Now, Apia Kubi and status are abusing they have abused the court for a long time. Now, there's one thing. Say court they decided say because they want to give Chairman Wontumi the opportunity to at the end of the day defend himself. Now court and she say abusing the area too much. There are other legal brains. There are other people in court. There are other people who are also facing their criminal trials. They are taking note of the court's generosity. When it comes to legal matters, there's nothing like generosity. What the law is the law, basically. That's what I'm trying to tell you. The law is the law. That's why when people go to court, when lawyers go to court, they use acts. They basically base every statement they make on a precedent, on facts, because court is not a place to speculate. Now, the moment you give people the room to abuse the court, even you being generous, you are creating another avenue or window for somebody to also abuse the court. And sometimes in court, because judge way on judge, because the reason is that the moment you try to be generous, not biased or trying to allow somebody to walk free, the moment you try to let people feel like they also have the right to express themselves, defend themselves, the more you become generous, the more you do what? The more you create room for the court to be abused in the future. And that is what I have seen over in fact, since Chairman Wontumi case in start here, the council and our lawyers of Chairman Wontumi from Apia Kubi, Ebesi Atachiano, they have seen abusing the court, because the court allowed them to do that, Apia Kubi cry free hono, Chairman Wontumi Ekofa Atachian, he also wants to do that. And that is dangerous for Ghana's court. It's dangerous for the judiciary. It is dangerous because other people are watching, other lawyers are watching. Now, there are two things you need to look out here. Or see a judge no ruling before Atachia was brought in as the lawyer. And secondly, how Chairman Wontumi, your starting case way, criminal case way, na appear could be a lawyer, how they have abused the court to this point. Now, my main show idea. Recently, Ohona Atachia ever grantee interview. Right now, Atachia is the lawyer. Emma Chairman Wontumi. Team, stay with me. Sorry. Atachia ever grantee interview, Atachia said, Samra Boy case, 6 weeks will be enough for me to prepare my written statement. As we sit here, Atachia is going to go to court tomorrow and ask for 6 weeks. Almost 2 months. That is 6 weeks. 1 month, 2 weeks. Ninyana say, or see obeko court or china plead with the judge and say, man is 6 weeks. Now on fan study case from day 1. Court day 1, day 2, day 3. All the documents that were shared in court, case management period, a year witnesses statement, or say, judge na man is 6 weeks now on to me fan study nina reading nina. But remember, say a man is 6 weeks not already sign your way nina no EBBA. Written submission. After that, does it really matter here? Is it very important? Does it have any effect on the judgment? That is the question we need to ask. Say, am I attaching 6 weeks? The question is, 6 weeks there, man, what is the end game? The end game is written statement or written submission or written address, whatever. And that is his opinion. Now, at this point, does it really matter to the judgment? Does it really matter? Will it change anything? What did the judge now or case now about written addresses or submissions? Written addresses or submissions, does it really matter at this point? Now, before we continue with this 6 weeks, Chairman Wontumi lawyer Atachia, the strategy they are playing to delay the case, not for the case to even be judged this year, let's step back a little bit. Now, Mukai say case in the question BBC, and these are some of the abuses I'm about to show you. Make sure case in the question, senior Chairman Wontumi appear could be abusey court, for some reason, the court actually did what? The court allowed it to go on. And I'm not saying the court allowed it to go on in a bad way. The court basically felt Chairman Wontumi needed all the time to make his case. But court now allowed that, What Chairman Wontumi lawyer appear could be ABC Atachia did and say they abused it. Making sure say chance na court their mom be say no. The big good court no hufi. The bachelor say court no mumbu no. Now let's step back a little bit. This is a court proceedings. Now proceedings we And this is what happened in court. It happened around the 3rd of a year, June, all the way 3rd June. Satana case no koso. Now, you see this document, it's public document. And media a court. You can go to court tomorrow. They'll give you all the documents. We can also publish this tomorrow. This is not Kevin Taylor's document. And this is a document. Anybody can have access to a court document. Now, on the 3rd of June, I said, Miss your court. That is how Chairman Wontumi and then the lawyer Apia could be abuse the court, and so the attachia wants to do that from tomorrow. Now, that's 2 p.m. Date the 3rd of June, and so accused persons A1 presents A3. Sorry, presents and represent A3. Now, the counsel, Dr. Justice Srimsai, or the Deputy Attorney General. Basically, he was also the lawyer for Ghana. Let's make it simple. Now, so we study should you see a timer na case in the coso and see how Apia could be what he did in court. Any judge be only abutre, any court be they don't want to even listen to Chairman Wontumi no. Anka Apia could be that time ni nyina no anka ka ushebu pa na this case do this point. But all these things, Chairman Wontumi and the lawyers, they never spoke about it. All the things they did against the court, all the deliberate action they took, no one say it was going to delay the case. The judge still had that had to accommodate. Nyoma could do point to be a judge bia se bi on person be Chairman Wontumi the team ding person or quick no or judge asam no anka se bi obegina sajo mani su nyina judge asam no but judge ni nya abutre o wiase nyina ama Chairman Wontumi Emma Apia Kubi ene Chairman Wontumi mo disrespected court no on several occasions, but the judge still believes say it was a Chairman Wontumi enya fair hearing. Fair trial is very important because he is just an accused or yet somebody who has done it so far as we speak. But so when you are now come back into court proceedings, now share idea Apia could be deliberately on your court. Na judge na cause the bufu. Now I say no. This is too much disrespect. Eye de nimtiano doso. Just say we are lawyer paying awudi Chairman Wontumi enim but dia wo ye no I say we need the ho na opese ubu court enimtia na udi di Ghana for the atem. But what happened was that judge, did not do anything. And when I said did not do anything, the judge could have stopped the case there and said, hey, Muni Bibia, the way you are disrespecting the court, and I want to go ahead and write my judgment. But the court accommodated them. The judge sat and did not even react until at a point, Judge said, no. The abuse is too much. You see, to the point, after Judge said, this is becoming like a strategy of Apia Kubi Chairman Wontumi. And to the judge at a point in court, the judge made it clear to them, said, no, the disrespect to the court, the disrespect to me, the disrespect to Obiano, deliberately a counsel and as a lawyer, deliberately changing things even in court. Case management, or to be back court, all of these things, judge can say, what Shasha would say, Apia Kubino, or a lawyer be I just say on canocre, I just say, oh, delay case, because the technical judge will be a bias. Now actually the cell person jelly Chairman Wontumi and case can do her. But this judge feels to say Chairman Wontumi needs to be heard. Chairman Wontumi, the witnesses are supposed to come. Chairman Wontumi, whatever is provided, we need to. But it got to a point you could see say Chairman Wontumi and Apia Kubi, they were deliberate in their actions. They wanted to abuse the court. Per se, almost say case, And it could I'm doing this and I say. That is the same 442 formation and at the end, attaching a free. They just want to delay the court. They don't want the judgment to happen. Into a attaching also called court or compare 6 weeks. On family study documents. Abra case near KWA. Now, my mention you see what court and why attaching to me respectfully to the court, without the respect to the judge, I believe attaching is not even supposed to be heard tomorrow. That is what I believe, myself and my team. I believe, say, the disrespect from Chairman Wontumi Council 1, Council 2, it is too much. And the same strategy, the same thing I did attach and I believe, say, the court is not supposed to tolerate this. Now, you see, when you read on the 3rd June proceedings, you ask yourself, say, but why was the court allowing this? Now, Mami Ridi Adewencho, this is what happened in court on the 3rd of June. Oh, sorry. On the 5th, right? Yeah. So, on the 3rd of June, I'm call court na ade esi any. So on the 3rd, almost about beam on the 5th. But the judge had to address a year adibia a year appear could be chairman to me ye. Ababi P attaching so attaching is doing same. And that is the most dangerous part in this case. Now, Hadia, let's take our time and go through what actually happened in court. And these are some of the things that attaching is asking for. And these are things that are documents that he can even go to Apia Kubi and demand. But because he wants to delay the court, he wants to abuse the court, that's why they are doing this. I'm sure before Ochina Omako court. Now, on the 5th of May 2026, this is 5th May, near June crowd. Now, they see a court. The accused person filed 2 witness statements out of the 5 witnesses they listed. Now, on the 6th May 2026, the accused person filed another witness statement, making 3 in number. They, however, informed the court of their intentions of filing 2 witness statements in addition. The court conducted CMC on the 3 witness statements and proceeded with the trial with the anticipation that the 2 witnesses, the other 2 witness statements will be filed by the accused person before the end of cross-examination of the other 3 witnesses. So, I'm going to file a witness cases, witnesses. Say, sa nipa we and your call case management, your person omoba. So, on the 6th, the accused person filed another witness statement. Remember, on the 5th, the accused person filed 2 witness statements. Now, out of the 5 witnesses they listed, inti now or say or nipa or witness statement 5 Sibu wa file. Now, what happened is on the 6th, even though on the 5th, okay, I say 5, on the 6th, a buy, afi, or say they can only file only 2. But during the CMC, that's the case management, they said they were going to file 5. Omobedu court on the 6th, almost they are going to use only 2. Now, means 3 now also file, famba. That's fine. The court allowed them. And then you can see, say, it was a deliberate thing they were doing. Oh, yeah, the nipa 5 remember. Omuni ebe from our bad kim. Abeka omanu asem. Ne atuto omano. No mabua me with a chema Wontumi. Afiom kodru court pena dani. Oh, yeah, the new pen ebe bande. Abra, bodin kai aye case management. Judge atia say, oh, nipa num ne bia and ombeba. Nipa num ne ya file. Ya be free we and the ochani a free we no. What they do, they say, omo koye sa meeting you no mudru court pe. Na apia kubi we change bibia. Instead of 5 statements, both are adani 2 and adani 3. And this is what transpired on the 5th, on the 6th of May. Now, don't worry, young queen, however, at the end of the cross-examination of the 3 witnesses, the accused person had not filed any additional witness statement. Omu go ahead still, and then they did what? They cross-examined the 3 witnesses from Chairman Wontumi. Now, the funny thing is, time omu cross-examining of the 3 witnesses, the accused, Apia Kubi, they have still not filed witness statements of the other witnesses. Now, the court cautioned the accused persons and gave them 7 days to file additional witness statements if they are so minded. Into my court bufuye, judge ni bufuye. And okay, say Apia Kubi. Sanko fuya, I will say omobabe witnesses a match ma Wontumi. Miami Babe warn you, say Omo Emperor Mwasama, Omo Branom file state because on paper, the CMC a case management, actually say, I also file it near to be any more case. Into my judge bufu your court. And I said, Yamoyano, Yanse Bienim. Ya court near case now, Ejuma behind the scenes say, Nipa do say nebe kasa, when you better you pet now appear could be nature mount me, and call for some becasano, na Sebio, you be omunam, almost statement so omon famba. Why how are we moving forward? And all this, the judge had the patience to listen. So at the point the judge said, no, I need to send a caution to Oma Jatum Somabe witnesses for Chairman Wontumi. Now, this is what happened. On the 25th of May, so from the 6th, the 25th of May, something happened. On the 25th of May 2026, the accused persons filed a fourth witness statement in the name of Honorable Kobna Ochredako Mensah, the court conducted CMC on this witness statement and proceeded and adopted the evidence in chief of the witness. Cross-examination commenced. The mouth of the witness was sealed and matter adjourned for continuation of cross-examination. Right now, naka witnesses mienu Chairman Wontumi appear could be filing. So judge in mass question no. I almost a judge the boo fubano and on the back so yeah the bakwaba. Na bakun and Kobi Ochredako, the former Western Regional minister, acquired the Nise Petuno, Jimmy no Numino. So when the guy came to court, no, they see and they say, appear could be more and making sure say one kasa. Cross examination a better to a witness no appear could be any chairman want to be by no almost so effort strategy be say witness no and say obi na no kasa almost selina no almost person be answer to anything and that day no ye ntumi ndi dwuma bia or court and a court case you know something let's adjourn ye two case ni sheda. They use another technicality to prevent the witness from speaking. Until when they were in court that day, Saturday ni so no awosanka Kobi Ochredako eyi Attorney General in Samano no ono so to obudi yebusana ono so person bekasa Emma o waste time Emma appear could be use delay tactics for court eka say because of something me client into me kasa because of Emma akwano sorry kofi ma yentumi antena case ni so Emma judge ni sa to case ni sheda because the time not time na court. And remember from the 5th of May judge need to make nya abotre for all these things. It's from the 5th of May to the 25th of May, no, anka witnesses ni na anka cross-examine but appear could be deliberately or making sure say court no schedule no or best schedule no because he wanted to delay the case. He never wanted the case to end. And these are some of the things they did in court and the ABPH attaching so picky from here. So I had to say a baton. We echo kakra no da come away. Now we have delay. So it's a delay strategy. Now the same court, I'm sure the court is here. They see any before continuation of cross-examination, counsel for the accused, that is Apia Kubi, person informed the court that, let me take this, before continuation of cross-examination, counsel for the accused person informed the court they had filed a supplementary witness statement in respect of the same witness. In terms of court to be I feel that Apia Kubi catch the court to say, Kobi Ochredako. Or the statement I had tuma yebebusebusa na no asem no appear could be say was filing another statement akasa statement no home until say yebeje sa statement na tumu no sa Kobi Ochredako ntumi nkasa. But remember answer na witness babet na dakem ne ebusebusa na no nsem no ye free be CMC judge no on it 2 lawyers no ehia behind the scenes no mo nyina age questions ebebusa nipa no atum ye wi a na ye de ama court no eno na ye dru court ebedi hu nkomo. Now what appear could be did and say statement na Kobi Ochredako edin kan attended in say eno na the witness statement Attorney General ebe so to na no ade chi bi no betena court appear could be catch the court say ne witness no esa another statement bi or person de saka the statement no meaning sa first statement na da ho no yentumi ndi ho adwuma yensan ko biem ne yenko another CMC case management behind the scenes. Now, first supplementary statement in some kind of the witness statement, meaning it's a clear strategy to delay the court. And all this while, na judge won't show any anger. The judge was still accommodating Apia Kubi. Kobi Ochredako first time, almost Selina no manankasa Apia Kubi making excuses. Ade chibero matnasia Apia Kubi catch the court say oh me witness no one send be can you po afinti side be ka ho na eno no because court engine to munti they are not going to allow a cross examination omo pese court ne gin supplementary edien na asam ne saka ho ansa na yato aso meaning the delay tactics is in force. They just don't want the case to move forward. Make sure the delay of my yabedru na omo abuse court na and the court should not allow Atachia to even make a statement in court. The judge or the court should not even entertain Atachia because Adia appear could be a year from day one basin. That is what Atachia is continuing. And it also pay 6 weeks, and when you give him 6 weeks, you ask for another 10 weeks. Now, Mamichiro abuses Nibi. Now, so when this happened, now the judge started getting frustrated. The judge started getting angry because it looks like, say, the taxpayers' money, every single minute we are judging we are basically paying the judge. Every minute to be at general court, we are basically paying them. So the judge is like, you know what, the taxpayer, we cannot waste their money like that. We need to basically move on, do the thing. I said, "Debiano, I appear to be chairman. Want to be bar witness, cry, witness about another document. Ya printed document. Obianum say where they will some question. Or say witness so a kai bibi into no yen to be in kasande yen fanko count and son and witness nakasa. Now the judge when something happened. Now, notwithstanding his so this is what happened. Notwithstanding this irregularity, the courts obliged and conducted CMC on the supplementary witness statement and proceeded with the trial. Inti appear could be by and so yes, I was statement be a yakobi ochida kwasa account and agree into a the account and I consider no problem. Say mo per se supplementary e no de kan ho a court tina court omo gitu no so mo san fan ka ho. Because we cannot make this thing delay the case. Yen to me must have supplementary statement we end delay case. Into the judge was patient, and the judge said, you know what, we whatever you want to do, we will accommodate you. So the judge accommodated the appear could be guy again. And also, and the judge allowed that to happen. 3 times, these people have abused the court. The judge did not say anything. The judge wanted the case to flow. The judge did not want to be seen as biased. Judge Bia said, he or she would not even entertain this nonsense. He would just move or she would just move. But this judge took her time or his time to be taking all this nonsense from Apia Kubi and the chairman Wontumi. Now, make sure they see it. Now, the judge decided to speak after all these things. Now the judge decided to speak because now I feel it too much. Oh, when at some to me 1 week I cannot. Now we are spending 3 weeks or a month on it. Witness a bit to me across examining in a day. No, we are spending 2 weeks on one witness. So the judge started getting frustrated. Said no, I didn't know and I said more abuse court. I say much that person would say would delay Ghana. So the judge says something. I say I have painstakingly gone through the trajectory and conduct of case management conference in this trial, mainly because my attention has been drawn to a witness statement filed on the 28th of May 2026 in the name of Honorable Evans Adai, who intends to give evidence for and on behalf of A1 and A3. Also, when you would say at Nasi, Akenkan Case Management Conference, that is CMC, meeting on behind the scenes and Sani Abakota Bekasano, I will be adding document bachelor judge. So when you be someone no. Also, when you would say I study ako back ako check a case management conference or no accused any the prosecution or not say and when we say one witness a friend or a Honorable Evans Adai or no na eba bema de evidence obema obe yebeto no emanade evidence aba be defend chairman Wontumi and the third witness no or say the name on this witness statement is not one of the names listed in the list of names of witness filed by the accused person. Judge said, but and yeba court no. Yenim said there are 5 accused people. The 5 witnesses are omo babe den yeba be cross examine omo. In fact 3 ya cross examine omo wi aka 2. But o see yeba court no. Afemi hwen krate di ma papa your friend Evans Adai no. Ni dinim. He is one of the people so I also who accused a lawyer. And I say, "Who appear could be? You need to make sure he is available." Why say what sabete say? Nipa we ba be kasa amache ba Wontumi. But you be do court in there no. Sa edin what is going on? Judge say, "Na appear could be. Die adwuma na wo ye ne sa no." Because nipa o say obeba betena say me atoto na no ama be protect a defend chairman Wontumi no. List ma hwemu nyina menya botra ko CMC, that is the case management conference. Mako study names are listed the breye say eno sankofo we na wo be from mo e de o ma betena dakem ema omo sebe yatoto ma no a omo defend chairman Wontumi. But me do court ya no sa brantie ni di nim die enti na wo yesa. The judge started getting furious. Because now it say appear could be any chairman Wontumi no omo ya ma dwene say omo person abuse omo go court na nimfi omo person case ni because omo dada court no. And this is something that happens so many times. Oh, and yeah, one day, oh, this is something I appear could be in chairman Wontumi. Yeah. They never spoke about it. The judge did not speak about it. Even the prosecution and the AG never came out to say this is what appear could be is doing in court. There was never a day the Attorney General came out to have a press conference to tell us to say, appear could be more. To the list, but say witnesses way on the casa near year from na judge. We never heard Attorney General make this statement in public. All along, the Attorney General was also focused. The Attorney General allowed the court to deal with these things. But say Attorney General be or pay public sympathy. Or say, I'm for merchants or ejuma. Anka, this will be his talking point. Anka, this will be his defense. He will be all over the place saying the reason why the case is not done is because Apia Kubia say, the court document is they go and check court proceedings. But the Attorney General did not do anything. Because the Attorney General at that point, his focus was to get witnesses to cross-examine, to get the truth out of witnesses. It's say, I feel the judge no ya main. Judge no technically the all Kenyan say appear could be a court intro. Appear could be deliberate need the ho and a ultra court intro. On peso be the no or peso delay case no. Now yanko enim. The name on this witness statement is not one of the names listed in the list of names of witnesses filed by the accused person. It is not for nothing that the practice direction on case management provided those direction to be taken. Or see, enyekwa say ye case management conference. The reason tia case management conference and then say send ye beya Attorney General per se or the prosecution witness ba wa apia kubi ubehu nipa kro ubehu omudin ubehu nipa dodo send ye beya wo so apia kubi what the prosecution accused witness ba yenso ubehu nipa kro ni din o say enye sa kekenti na CMCO butai bitare chire na se wo beba court na ya meet na wie na betena court now the adefo fraba means se wo no court no person bebu court no. It's not judge no to appear could be for say dear all ye no or say case no neni da ho no obu court nenim tia. He is disrespecting the court like deliberately. Now who read the document where a court document you can go and ask, they will give it to you and media. Now say obesa will follow proceedings say see court after this something happened. The same court I mean read the scene chiro. Meka ba be si the attaching no so the same strategy appear could be taking and no be no taking the disrespecting of the court, abusing of the court. Say court more opportunity to pay. They will blow it up. Oma MPP lawyers way appear could be an attaching way 2 days. Obe say no could do 2 months. That is why we have to be careful because court you don't allow these things to happen. The moment we give room for that, other criminals, their lawyers or their counsels, that is what they will be doing. Ochina omoko court nte nyumbe menya abota medwudwa we mu akiro. Now, when you move ahead, this is what it says. The bedrock, I wanted to read this is the latter part of the second one. Change in circumstances to cause a witness to be changed, substituted, and added. It is for the accused person to seek leave of the court, giving reasons for same, and not the situation this court is confronted with presently. Judge Nika say, we are accused, lawyer, who appear to be. Now, so person was a witness, and now open say witness be changing the dean, and now we in the dean from, and now obi for beshema. You have to follow the right procedure. Unim send ye no court ya, but what appear could be a say. Obeka say Kevin Taylor na ebet na adakem. Ade bechi ye beba no na Kwame Amoako. Ye busa na o se o ende agenda case ni enkomra na menko Kevin Taylor. Inti judge Nika Chen said that thing now wo appear could be wo ye no. O go court ni mase. O disrespect court no. In fact, court ni chance or the amount say be the lawyer for Chama Wontumi na to me protect and I say defend no. It is looking like say what the sa opportunity no. What the abuse this opportunity no. It's judge Nika point to explain to him say ye nyane sa. Adia wo ye na enye wo na wo ma case ni delay because we are not supposed to do these things. What the witnesses list ba also making sure so we diso but to medru court now witness list no ebi agira obi din nim o enti na judge na kire say ye adwuma say court mra no ho wunim dada so obese say obi krampa there is a way you do it. There's a way you go by it, but you just don't appear in court and say may change the way without any formal approach to it or formal way to approach it. It's not judge say no. What is going on? Who say case no? Who disrespect the court no? Who abuse the court no? Now, mommy and so any uncle who they see your court. Now, the bedrock in criminal trials, Judge Nekasano, the bedrock in criminal trials is fair hearing. However, this should not be translated into an abuse. Inti judge ni say, "Hey, apia could be niche ma Wontumi nti ase. nyoma ma ebebrea mama mo chance a sebio mu bu court ne abomfia mo disrespect court no mu delay case no o say saa nyoma na mede ama mo say muntumi emfa nka mo asem no enkyere say mu betumi ebu court ne nimfia ana abomfia mu betuma disrespect court no o say de mi wi kyere say saa na mo pese mo ye o say ye ma obi fair trial a Yema obi hu kwan se ono so en defend no ho onfa kofombra mbe defend no onfa adanse fombra mbe defend na se court ma ho kwan na court enya abotre na court anya okeke ya enkyere se ubetum the court ni metwitwi fom enti judge ni ka se wo apia kubi wo ne chema Wontumi ene saa eye the accused person ade a mo ye no emwaye saa nyama we nyina si wo court. Did you ever hear apia kubi come out to say court no me pe bibi na court na mfa me? Did you ever hear the Attorney General come to say, this is what is happening in court? Apia Kubia abuse court. No? The Attorney General did not have time for that. The Attorney General's job was to get a witness to cross-examine, was to get to the bottom. If there are things happening in court, Obi abuse court. Now, it is not for the Attorney General to say. The Attorney General can raise objections and raise concerns in court, but the Attorney General, it is not his duty to make sure, an accused lawyer follows rules and regulations or court proceedings, the regulations. It is the court. Until right now, the judge is talking. The judge is frustrated. The judge has seen, Apia Kubi, any chairman Wontumi no, almost shut down on person who go court, delay case, until all the way from May, they started delaying this case. So, case where attaching Abesomi, nan can you say Drew June? So case we don't say enter June. Apia could be idea because from day one, not almost strategy. Delay the case, delay the case, delay the case. Now, Judge Nesaka Saya or say the bedrock of criminal trials is fair hearing. Now, at this juncture, Judge Nesaka Muntieno. This is all the way in May. The judge started getting frustrated with Chairman Wontumi Apia Kubi. All the way in May. Now, Judge Nesaka say, at this juncture, the court does not know whether or not the witness statement it has received in the name of Honorable Evans Adai is an addition or a substitution. At a point, now, I feel Apia Kubi Akofa statement for Fraba. I feel that court now confused. Evans Honorable Evans Adai na oka witnesses no. I feel bayani dinim. After Saba court, Apia Kubi Akofa, Sani Panano Assembly Abase, Yanfa Assembly, like I say, right now, I didn't know yeno. List out the brain now, Quay Wom, after the court and the dinim. Yes, our court was a cofa statement, Biaba a aquan statement. Kijaji says, Onim, say, or substitute a aquan free case removal, so do be beshebo. Right now, the judge was confused. I didn't appear Kubi yeno. I didn't chairman Wontumi appear Kubi. I saw money Dahona, on my essay, on my book of Denim, on my delay case. This is May. And remember, before May, no my sign your way be my judge and bibia. But you see, anytime they walk out of court, no matter catch a case there, bibia judge they do some time. They knew what they were doing from day one. Deliberate delaying of the case. I idea from day one, not omunim de omuye. Now, when you move forward, judge say, I do not think this sort of practice assists the court in the smooth delivery of justice. TNA, Judge say, I do not think this sort of practice assists the court in the smooth delivery of justice. Or said the appear could be no, and the chairman want to moya quarter, de be no makase, no delay court, no or say, sad dear way are moyeno. Menya sure se mo pese court no, e dini juma send you say dini juma. I say mo timu pobi say court juma di mo be say no. That is the statement of the judge. So the judge got an idea of what Chairman Wontumi and Apia could be no more ye. And it's on one case no say, me who say mo ye bibi say, mo person mo say case no, mo person mo delay case no unnecessarily. Mo person mo shada na case we no, eye tintiana nipa, hu say the echo. Judge no got frustrated. Remember, Adewe has been going on for 5 months, the judge did not say anything. But it got to this point, now Apia could be here too much. Apia could be that court, no. And you see, say judge bia wa body timu possible be di bone na otan Chairman Wontumi nka case we nka ndru me anka case we no anka say by ebia be match na anka say judge no. But you see, the judge and the court accommodated all these things. Sanya mo nyina wunim, these are documents mumusa Apia Kubi no mo fan kire mo. These are some of the things they did. Now judge ni ko nim no, judge ni ko nim ka say me or say CMC, Case Management Conference, is to give direction and clarity to all parties in the matter and above all, avoid surprises. Or say, Sa CMC no moye no, a Case Management Conference no, ni nyina ne say yebeko court ochna. Krata bi Attorney General, edeba bebusa Chairman Wontumi and the other accused, or say Attorney General the judge in front of Apia Kubi enim. And as Apia Kubi so and a baby Sibu or better to Attorney General witness anwa. I was saying Krata or Bebusanina or the Bana judge who send a bear yenina quarter or bink of a Krata bifra bontinimba Emma Attorney General because Apia Kubi Krata with the one fan chess or Bebusami witness wasam. Or say CMC no Nijuma Diana no. Na ya den yakwa CMC ni ebeba na apia kubi asheda dan no won se de onim se CMC na odin krata foforo nipa din foforo statement foforo o se sa nyoma na apia kubi ye no wa sheda. Now uku edima judge this akasa o say, so when an accused person in the middle of a trial without leave of the court decided or decides at will to change witness in improper, and this is stated with caution to the accused person, the 1992 Constitution grants rights to all persons, especially in criminal trials. However, these rights should not be exercised in a manner that will degenerate into a pattern of abuse of the rules of court. And a court judge ne kachire eye de o kachire eye apia kubi ene Chairman Wontumi say munim bibi. De amoye nyina sebio 1992 Constitution eka se nipa bia wo ho kwan se sebio yenka ne kashaboa enhye ne yem obetumi aka na adwene obetumi edefend no ho obetumi afra obi amana ba abeya adansefo amano o se ye constitution ne kire se obia wo ho kwan se sebio obenya fair trial obetumi aka na adwene aka no nokre ma yetie no o se na saa de na ewo ho constitution mu no saa eye tumi na constitution e de amaye se Ghana fo ye betuma fa lawyer ye betuma ko gina court ye betuma ka se oh sebio we de menya hwe nipa we no ho bi we na madance for no o se saa tumi na constitution de ma Ghana ni bia no o se opeso o ma apia kubi ene Chairman Wontumi muti ase se from nyoma o ma ye a o ma hyeda ebu court nim tia ebu eye de constitution nim tia ema apia kubi continuously wa hyeda eye de abuse court no see saa nyoma no sebio o so muti ase se ade bi o maya o de ni atofo mehu se e follow pattern bi ade bi ade se utumi tena hu se we ni ade bi o ma form ho adwene se o mo beye o se saa de na den o mo eye abaye o musuban ene o musu no sebio ono oya judge no ohun ni pen fei se apia kubi ene o mpese obebu court no Chairman Wontumi a oye accused person a wakofa apia kubi no o ma bom tiri mu po se court no bebu court ni mtia o mo de court ni twitwi fom o mo be say asem no o mo be slow asem no judge na asem o kan no say sanyuma amu yi e wo be constitution defend obi but I say he said obi a mu tiri mu po de mo ye makama no atum ahwe wa we apia kubi we panyini why a lawyer che but I say why should that say o pese obu court ni mtia me judge ametie me nipa and also me tie obi asem but I say from time ongoing time coming no why say adia why ya no na saa de na wo ye no e kire pefe se wunim de wo ye why adwene se obebu court ni nimtia. These are judge no words and yet these are not my words. Now judge ni code him not say having cautioned accused persons. Now this is what the judge concluded on. Now, court concluded on this. Having cautioned the accused person, so it means the judge actually cautioned Apia Kubi. Cautioned Chairman Wontumi. Said, you are abusing the court. Court na mama found the kakrasa mufandi mojumano mo pese mo de den ebu court denim tia. Enti for a judge to caution you, it means the judge has had enough. For a judge to say dia mo ya no muntwa so. Mama mo time too much, and from proceedings you didn't see Apia Stadium Apia Kubi object to it. Apia Kubi never objected to the statement the judge made because no one said they are true, and the judge did not say anything out of what is happening in court. Saying Apia Kubi, the judge nekano, Tananka judge ni chatra. Apia Kubi would have objected and say, "My lord, this is not true. I never did this. I never did that. I will never." But you see, because Apia Kubi knew what he was doing, because Apia could be no him say or person delay case no or person abuse court no or person disrespect judge no or person judge ni bufu na judge de bibi no. He knew what he was doing. Anything a judge no question no said the omo ye no a follow party be omo jai no Apia could be didn't raise any objection. Now, having cautioned the accused persons, the court will exercise its discretion and adopt the witness and the witness statement as if the witness was listed as one of the witnesses and conduct CMC on same. Inti Apia Kubi, omudi honorable ada any statement in the na at the end of the day, na nkeni say Apia Kubi difa back door, dibe court ni kaso ni bibi. Apart from all the things you have done, inconsistencies, abusing of the court still judge in magic in the statement, Mesa Abba CMC. So the judge was not even supposed to do it. Because one, the witness now appear could be edebano. In the first place, where you witness the dear film, and in the second place, the statement to that background, said you're not witnessing sign yet, and you Paul Sanka court, and so judge in only BB. Upon all the disrespect, most show me or court her. Upon all the disrespect, or witnesses show me. Upon the things you are deliberately doing to delay the case, still, remember the chance. Come to CMC, that is Case Management Conference, and come show me this new statement you have brought from nowhere, and let the Attorney General be here. I'll be here. I will look at it. I'll give you the opportunity. So you see, upon all the disrespect, Apia Kubi show judge, still the judge gave Apia Kubi that respect. Upon the basic deliberate mistakes he did, they're deliberate. They make it look like it's an oversight. It wasn't an oversight because judge not to Jimmy for. And Apia Kubi Debi Okachiram say, or your experienced lawyer, he knows what he's doing. So the judge knew from day one what Apia Kubi was doing. But you know what? Anka judge Bianco about the Timu Pose or Tanchema Wontumi anka that day and Anko in the case. Yeah. Because those were not Apia Kubi and not Chema Wontumi, not only witnesses Biabium. But you saw what the judge did. The judge said, still, I will give you the opportunity. Remember my chance. Somebody Evans Adai we come one. No problem. The statement from nowhere, we don't know where it's coming from. No. I'm going to adjourn my case, meet you at CMC for you to explain to me, for the Attorney General to be there, for we all to understand each other, and come back again and put that person you want to put in the box for cross-examination. The judge still accommodated this guy. The judge on the case still accommodated. You see, in law, you don't allow perception to take over facts. And especially when it comes to in criminal cases, when it comes to politically exposed people, when they are standing criminal trial, especially when you have an opposition that can create accusation out of everything. We have people who don't really follow facts. When you're a judge on a case, what you do is you give people the benefit of the doubt. It does not make you weak. It's what it does is that it makes everybody understand out of your courtroom, because and you'll be in a courtroom. What it does is say that leniency, that room you give people you even think are abusing the court. When you do that, what happens is that you make the case more transparent. You don't give people the room to go out there to insinuate, to create an impression, because you see, perception, when it's attached to a crime or a case in court, it basically dissolves the potency of the case. So I think what this judge was doing was that he didn't want to give anybody any room to say the accused person is being treated unfairly. Even though there were some things that this judge was supposed to stop, there were some things this judge was not supposed to entertain. A lot of abuses and disrespect to the judge herself or himself or the court, the judge was not even supposed to allow. For some reason, because the judge wanted Ghanaians to understand that this case in court is not personal. She has no personal issues, or he has no personal issue with the Attorney General or even the accused. And that the judge's main focus was to make sure that this case, at the end of the day, whatever the accused has to present, they present it fully. And whatever the prosecution have to present, they present. So the judge was basically avoiding that perception that the accused person is being mistreated, the accused person is being gagged, the accused person's lawyer is not given the room. But you see, the more lenient, the more diplomatically lenient the judge is, the more advantage Apia Kubi and Chema Wontumi were taking of the court. So you see, now when you give people the room to protect themselves, you give them the room to basically be heard, they abuse it, they take advantage of it. So we are judge and Kaden and Kobe. But all these things happen in court. All these things happened in court. None of us was told about this. But these people are the same people. Right now, what is Atachia doing? Atachia is doing the same thing. But I'll go back to the ruling. About what happened in court. Nobody will accuse anyone of being hard on anyone. And it's also, and I will study there. You can see clearly, say, from day one, Apia Kubi or Shadan or abuse case, or abuse court, and a delay case. Now, shall you see it? Judge Nikasa, Apia Kubi Ekasaya, what did he say? I have a friend in Canada. He just texted me. He just told me say I should call the witch doctor Kukubunzam. Canada for end the Xavier Zoya Kukubunzam. Xavier, I'll call you after the show. Now, Judge Nikasawi Apia Kubi also responded to what the judge said. And then okay. Or say, counsel for A1 and A3, that is Apia Kubi. Or say, we have a witness statement of one Honorable Evans Adae. It was filed on the 28th of May 2026. I pray that the said witness statement be adopted by the court as a witness statement of the said Honorable Evans Adae. So, formally, I feel na all catch the judge and say, sir, witness na. Judge ni kwa CMC some time back and ani diwo ma Apia Kubi mu yifri mu no afi na Apia Kubi ka say afi na ye de witness no edin ba ni statement nti yanko CMC ni yanko discuss bi mu. So you see, anytime I'm just say if Apia Kubi had an issue with the judge's pronouncement on the delay tactics, on the disrespect and abuse of court, and Apia Kubi be raise an issue and say, Your Honor, or whatever, your lordship. In fact, what you are saying, without due respect, is not true. But you see, Apia Kubi didn't say anything because what he has done, no, what if the judge did not have that patience, was not professional enough, has no interest in the Obika, just focusing on the case, and a judge in react here, and press conference and Apia Kubi. Imagine the judge threw out this their witness statement out to say we have gone to CMC and that we came to court and you are giving us a different thing. Count him the Apia Kubi. Do you know the kind of impression Apia Kubi ni chairman Wontumi they would have come out to put? Count him the Kofi Benton Babakano Abontene. Count him the MPP dogs. Do you know how they were going to narrate that? But you see, the judge being an honest judge, not wanting to take sides, listening to everybody's piece, the judge still gave them the opportunity. And anything appear could because, Madam Judge, Mr. Judge, please, now we want to formally drop the witness statement. The court should adopt it. We should go and have CMC. Remember, Sankadia or Yen first, and meaning the case has been dragged back again. This is all the way in May. They delayed the case for about 3 months. No reason. Now, so that is what happened in court. Makacho said this document, if you want to get it, go to the court. It's there. These are court documents. Now let's come to what happened in court the day Apia Kubi. The day Apia Kubi called court. Eko kachre judge and say onye lawyer today. Chairman Wontumi biom. Now, you see this. Right now, you know the abeti say ochina attaching say oko in court. Didn't know oko court oko pray for 6 weeks. 6 weeks in any day. Or say a free be witness written submission or written addresses. Those submissions, you di asem we are lawyer bia odi client enim you will share your opinion on asem na a lawyer for somebody, the accused lawyer etnim etro and I said the prosecution lawyer Now, judge a really Apia Kubi case that day because that day na Apia Kubi court so oko catch court to say on your lawyer to chairman Wontumi bi judge ni tie ni nsem nyina na Apia Kubi argument nyina say judge twintwen so because we you free say onye chairman Wontumi lawyer bim no chairman Wontumi ko fa another lawyer ntima judge no emfa the judgment mba and nti na Apia Kubi court that time. So the reason why Apia Kubi court nani nyina ne say okoka judge say menye chairman Wontumi lawyer bim even though what she date out judgment mba no me make Apia Kubi be say o twentwen o judgment no so because mean enya me na me betro written submission no media me ko obi na eba betro. The question here is dey na judge ne ka that day na appear kubi eba court beka say onye lawyer to chairman Wontumi biem. Now in fact because onye loyalty written submission no judge remember from the judgment in ba. Now because any on the betro written submission or address that say lawyer for bar which is attaching on the betro. But the question here is the written address and not submission from the lawyer after the case has ended. Not judge actually judgment, does it really affect the case? In law, normal law, judge it's not kunjuma. So the phone way back, and no, and a judge no esha hon edi buana asem. Say what the pen way back, and no, and a judge no esha hon. Say accused no the pen way back, no can say any evidence, and no a judge no she. The judge is looking at the pen. Now say accused no ed way back. No, I say, wait me evidence that the judge is just looking at this. Lawyers Simeonua omudi accused and also whatever lawyers are they are accused lawyer and our prosecution. They omogene ever assembly hono. Their personal opinion, which is the written address, at the end of the day, is it an evidence a bit me affect the case nana? And is that two teams Abo and Ra. Croatia, Asha Ghana 2-1. Now, two teams no el field in the Super Bowl. Your FIFA or manage the whole event. There's a referee in the middle of the game. Two assistant referees. They are match commissioners. Ball na ye no pitch this no. There are rules. Now, your ball ni wie. Ebia Ghana ne England the boy and Obian Shibi 0-0, right? There were some Nyomebia a see or pitch and so. England goalkeeper na every in the boxing ebe tackles. On a normal day, FIFA rules, any game rules are a red card. The keeper left the demarcated zone also Odini Juma stepping out, whether he touched somebody or touch a ball cry at the end of the two yellow card and a red card. So Otumi ko ball cry out of his box. Now and oni who kwans also kwesa na tackle bi no be tough for ma that ref keeper no so nsa kan ball nsa kan ball nsa kan nipa red card. That's how it is. Now Ghana sanya another chance. Now omukoshe na in the box a defender a clamp Ghana a player down. Now we nya ball no because he needs to defend. He needs to clear that ball. Senenaya and ball no. Now the player who is attacking goes down in the box. It's a penalty. That's how the rules are. Now, Sanyama when you see your pitch, so referee Jim, assistant referee so commissioner so yen you FIFA president put to now you get a referee bar a ben say 0-0. Whatever the coaches say at the press conference does not change the final score. After game, the coaches can meet the press 50 times. Whatever England coach in the after the game, after the 90 minutes, plus other time, after the game, what matter? They see your pitch, their time within that 90 minutes, and time added on. So 90 minutes, that is what the FIFA regulations recognizes. So Ghana coach Nico press conference 50, and then he speaks about how he's disappointed in the referee. It will not change the goal line, the goal scores, the score line. It will not change the point build up. Say England coach no Jina press conference 50. Now, say Ghana coach no journalists for Shanom can say, "Oh, Mr. Coach, how did you see the whole game? His opinion about the game, how his team played, how the opponents played, the tactics he played, how the opponent it does not affect the final outcome of the game because the final outcome, the coach's ideas and opinions does not matter. The final, what matters is referee no GM decision no take here and the score line at the end of the day and the point everybody got. Our coach can express his views, and in law, the Atachia is a coach. Now, in the middle of the game, FIFA him say, Brony when a coach. Now your ball game na mani bedu 80th minute. Now Brony nigga say yemi na ya. Now say o free pitch na so kofie. Now say another technical person ebe some say on a coach. That person's opinion on that game. Say your pawn game na Sa coach no be taking over from Ghana coach no. So in a press conference, on to me say, I don't want to accept the outcome of the game because I took over from our coach who wasn't feeling well at the 78th minute. It does not work like that. So, sa coach na obeji baton free the sick coach wana obeye coaching for the next 12 minutes or 22 minutes. You know. The issue here is FIFA does not care. The referee does not care. What the referee cares about is the game has been played. It's your point game, no. Now your coach now obesomu from the 72nd minute, coach the 90th minute. Eka say he feels that he was not in charge of the game from day one, and so FIFA should reverse the points build up. FIFA should reverse the game for us to replay the game because time again they starting on the Gina touchline. That is what Atachia is creating here. FIFA recognized the game that was started under the first coach. FIFA recognizes that Ghana had 11 players on the pitch. FIFA recognizes that there were referees refereeing the game. There were match commissioners. Whether you want to change your coach at the bench or not, it does not affect what FIFA, that 90 minutes, he has basically put together. Now, Atachia is saying, Onona ebe taking over from Apia Kubi at the 87th minute. Now, 3 minutes. Yeah, the other time Okrabe Kahun. Emma obedru ya no krampo no na 90 minutes ni abowie. Emma referee the 3 added minutes account. Now see because oba na yabo 90 minutes na wie no 3 other times so ono Atachia on recognize say a FIFA official time. Inti now no ya ensan go back and go start the game because sa 3 minutes na e does not go by no ono on recognize sa 3 minutes no. This is what they are doing. And that is what Atachia is saying. He is going to court tomorrow. And that when he goes to court tomorrow, he's going to ask for 6 weeks. 6 weeks to do what? 6 weeks to write his submission. The question here is, your press conference will not change what happened on the pitch. Your press conference wasn't part of the rules. Your press conference, it is not what FIFA is looking at. FIFA is looking at what the referee basically, at the end of the day, saw as good or not. Into Atachia right now is saying, now, wabano, sa game in a course, we should go back near for documents in Yinama. We have 6 weeks. Now, let me show you something. Now, this was the ruling. I want all of us, and I've read this thing here about 3 times. Time Atachia, time Apia Kubi, Eko Kachire court to say, onye lawyer to Eyadi Chema Wontumi Bimno. He went there. Thank you very much, team. I will add this to it. I think you did you add this? Did you send this before or you just sent this now? Now, time appear could be muka say or court kakache a court to say on person be chema Wontumi lawyer bimno. The judge said something to Apia Kubi. And it is very important because and no and I was a judge, she or he needs to stick to. Now, yanko time Apia Kubi court kache judge and say or no Apia Kubi no onye chema Wontumi lawyer bim nemum Atachia and ebe chema Wontumi lawyer. Now, the judge said something that day during the ruling. Now, during the ruling of the judge, Mr. I have it. I'm trying to move it to the system. Thank you. During the ruling of the judge, Okabibi, and no me pese ochna, the judge must, with all due respect to the judge, with all due respect, I believe the judge should or must stick to those principles. Because I have seen, say, MPP for ne Atachia mono, omo pese omo delay court no. They say they just want to delay the court. They just don't want the judgment to happen. And with all due respect to the judge, we want the judge to stick to principles because so far, judge no prove say or your honest judge and yet personal issues in the case in so. And yet obi no tano or pese obi enya that fair hearing. I believe say ochina before a judge no ebetie Atachia. Ghana for munim nyansa munim say asama yeken, we are basically speaking on the issues. The judge should first go back to his or her own hearing ruling. And no enebechre say sebio asama Atachia kano court or chinano etasum and asentasum. Because with respect to Atachia asama deba, it's all about written submission. And we know the honorable judge or the case we know, he or she, he has spoken or she has spoken on this witness written submission. Now, let's do this before we go back to her ruling, because Enona, with all due respect, we are putting out that the judge should consider her own ruling. Because if we sit in Ghana and we are in a country where Obia to a criminal case, now eka 2 weeks my judgment aba. Now obey use this same precedent as a defense to fire their lawyer to get a new lawyer there, then no case will end in Ghana. Say, and the court not allow this kind of abuse. The court not allow it, Wontumi lawyers to abuse the court in this way. The issue here is a day will come. Nipe bi edit begina court. One, obe delay court na for 2 years. Now, it do 2 days. Now you be trying judgment. Obe catch the Ghana for you say we changing a lawyer. Okachen say we there. I didn't know I say also imbrebi, and with law it's all about precedents. Imbrebi Ghana law ya court ya. Na nipe bi wo court. Na aka 1 month my the judgment aba. Or say we changing the lawyer. Emma court to muma sebio yes static case. So this is a very dangerous path we are taking. And we are not supposed to allow Atachia to hide behind something called a written statement or written addresses. Now, written addresses now Atachia ko jina ho court or channel. What does it mean? Before I read judge, the ruling when appear kubi ekoka chen so onye chema Wontumi lawyer biemu, the judge na kasa faka ekafa written submission ho. The judge herself or himself on one kasa de numa asema watra ewo record him. Now, let me show you this. The main legal basis written submission come from. Now, written submission and the day, case we na judge a lawyer and kasa say, "Minam a lawyer to Kevin Taylor, make sure my opinion on the case." And if no written submission. Now, a High Court or Civil Procedure Rules 2004 CI 47. This is what it says. In civil cases, the rules allow the court to direct parties to file written addresses submissions after evidence. It is therefore procedurally mandatory once the judge orders it. It is therefore, and this is in civil cases, the case we are faced with in court today, a criminal case. So in civil cases, any criminal cases, it is therefore procedurally mandatory once the judge orders for it. It is a civil case, say judge orders me per written submissions, that one you have to do it. And that only applies when it is civil cases. In civil cases, as I didn't see. Now, criminal procedure practices. So when it comes to civil cases, what happens is the court, the civil procedure rules, which is 2004 CI 47. In civil cases, any criminal cases, Chairman Wontumi case were a criminal case. In civil cases, when the judge orders for written submission from the lawyers, it is an order and everybody has to put it in. Now we are looking at Chairman Wontumi's case, which is the criminal case. The distinction is very important. Criminal procedure practice. In criminal trials, there is no universal statutory requirement. In criminal trials, right now, attaching or lawyer to Chairman Wontumi, he's trying to make it mandatory. This is a criminal trial. Written submissions are not mandatory, and the judge's ruling, she said it or he said it. But the reason to attach court or channel say he is a lawyer to Chairman Wontumi who is facing a criminal case, right? Now, the law actually say in criminal trials there is no universal statutory requirement that written submission must always be filed. There is nowhere just a criminal case, what we call written addresses must be filed. There is nothing like it always has to be filed. You can decide not to file it. Nobody cares. Because at the end of the day, it does not affect the evidence before the judge. That evidence, the judge, I call it the judgment. This is a criminal case. Now, when you read further, that's what it says. However, courts increasingly use them as part of fair and efficient trial management, especially in the complex or document-heavy cases. So, optional. It does not say it's mandatory, It's saying, say, no universal statutory requirement. It is not a must. Atachia, when he goes to court tomorrow and say, Judge, mommy, 6 weeks, I need to write my written state addresses. It is not mandatory. And the court is not supposed to grant it. Because without it, the judgment can still be read. So what Atachia is going to do tomorrow, our court in front of the judge, the judge herself or himself about 2 weeks ago made it clear her point. And I don't think, with all due respect to the judge, with all due respect, I don't think that judge will eat her own words back. Now, when you do a little bit of reading on this same judicial discretion, now, judicial discretion, and this was still under this 2004 CI 47, it says judges in Ghana have wide discretion to, 1, order written submission. Judges in Ghana have wide discretion. And we say judicial discretion. Judge didn't so pay on the decide. When you say discretion, and you walk, send your wow pesa we ye. One kasa, jumba opese a koso. And yamra and a show. So, your friend, judicial discretion. Judges in Ghana have wide discretion to order written submission. So, the judge could decide or can decide not to order for any written submission. 2, set timelines. The judge can decide not to set timelines and can decide to set timelines. 3, or proceed without them if unnecessary. The judge can go ahead and write their judgment without written submission, without the lawyer's opinion, without the lawyer's own understanding of the proceedings. The judge can still write their statement without even asking for any written submission. In fact, it is an option. It is not mandatory. What Atachia is trying to do, Atachia is trying to force the court to do something that is not mandatory. What is happening right now when it comes to written submission or addresses is optional. It is only in civil cases. And when a judge demands for it, even that one, the judge has to demand. In a civil matter, it is the judge who has to demand. But in criminal cases, no, it is optional. Now, let's go back to this same judge. When Apia Kubi echoed the Nimko and say, I don't want to be Chairman Wontumi lawyer again. And that Chairman Wontumi has a new lawyer. And that stop your judgment because Chairman Wontumi has appointed a new lawyer. What did the judge say? And let's be fair here. This is a judge for a long time. Wa accommodate the Chairman Wontumi. Wa accommodate all the things Apia Kubi here. Now, it looks like Atachia wants to take over from Apia Kubi in this kind of cunning delayance when it comes to this criminal case. Now, let's go back quickly. I had now say pay all the attention. And it's about Judge Nankasa or no time Apia Kubi Bejina the Nimka say me lawyer match ma Wontumi biom. They say Atachia never into delay with judgment. Then a judge we Ankasa kan. This is the same judge with respectfully. Ochina Atachia Eko Jan and him say, or no Atachia demanding. Because at this point, Atachia is demanding. Atachia is telling the court that the court needs to do that. But in law, in Ghana's legal law, the issue is it is not mandatory in a criminal case for written submissions to be demanded. And I say, without written submissions, a judge cannot go ahead and pronounce judgment. No. Now, so we read Judge Nankasa ne Swerve ni ruling when it comes to day na Apia Kubi echo the nim na. In fact, let's read this one. They be me read this document where me de read and fa no. Then a judge ne kan timer Apia Kubi ko ne nim say onye de onye chairman Wontumi lawyer bim. E then a judge ne kan. This is the ruling from the judge. This is a few weeks ago. Into moment judge in the position on written submission. And sana ochina Atachia Eura court. Akokacha judge ne say because of written submission, judge into judgment in shada. Let's see the judge Nankasa case when she was or he was ruling on that Apia Kubi issue. What did she say? What was her opinion, legal opinion on written addresses? Now, I'll say, Consequently, since filing of closing addresses is optional, time na appear could be catch a judge and says, see, I mean, my Wontumi lawyer beam. Attach an obano, says, Siano, or then a eba betro written addresses into a journey case no judgment no to another date, send a judge the catch or see. Consequently, since filing of closing addresses is optional and not a function of the rules, that is to say, there is no provision under the rules compelling the lawyer for an accused or prosecution to file an address. According to say, addresses are optional statements made by lawyers. Listen, written addresses are optional statements made by lawyers to articulate on the merit or demerit on a case one way or the other. Or see, what we call written statements are optional. In fact, those written statements, they are done by lawyers to what? Tell people their opinion, to articulate their opinion about the whole game. It is like a press conference. Technically, written submission or addresses which lawyers write after cases are heard, evidence are provided. In criminal cases, they are optional. It is basically the opinion of the accused's lawyer or the defendant or the prosecution. At the end of the day, it's just an opinion they are expressing. This is like post-match interview, post-election interview. Written addresses are just court interview. It is the same as somebody going to court today. Appear could be court in the new appear but not journalist able to question. It is basically daily written submission or addresses. Appear could be every day he walks out of court. He meets the press. That is the post court proceedings or press, his views, how he articulates, how he sees it. The merits and demerits. Oh, and the court, na be fine. And the moment the judge, I say one thing. That is his opinion, and that is the same thing here. It does not affect what actually transpired in court. The evidence that was put before the judge, the evidence that was put before the judge by the accused or the prosecution. No, it is just his opinion. That is why during this judge's ruling 2 or 3 weeks ago, he or she was clear that written addresses are post-court addresses. They don't affect what actually happened in court. They don't affect the evidence in court. It is the opinion of the lawyer. So the question here is, if it is just an option, it is the opinion of the lawyer, how can it affect the evidence put before the court? Because post-court reaction is done daily. Now, it is all the post-court reactions that you have seen from day one appear could be court opie or and no optionally he can decide to put all together in one big document and say this has been my opinion from day one. Every single day I share my opinion, but today I am going to put everything together. I'm going to summarize, compress it for people to know my opinion on the whole proceedings. So submissions or addresses by lawyers do not or cannot have an effect on judgment. Now, already judge in the last statement or say the court would by this extend the time of filing written addresses from 17th of June to 24th of June 2026. For the avoidance of doubt, this matter is adjourned to 9 a.m. on the 3rd of July 2026 for the court to deliver judgment in this matter. Meaning, the judge herself or himself made it clear, I don't care about written addresses. I don't care about post-court addresses. What I care about is that I've given a date, and that date, the judgment will be read. And see, what I'm trying to say is, I'm just asking the judge, is she or is he going to eat their own word or his own words or her own words? Because we didn't know this until the judge sitting on that case told us that when a lawyer, after every single court case, walks out of court to share their opinion, is basically a written or oral witness address. Now, the judge made it clear that those things are optional, not a function of the rule. When they say not a function of the rules, it means court say without written submission or addresses, a judge cannot go ahead and pronounce judgment. No, that is the statement. That is the meaning. Inti, the question here is, Ochina, Atachia Echo Court say, Yanko extended time mano, all because of an optional written submission. At the end of the day, why should the court, with all due respect to the judge, at the end of the day, why should the court even hear Atachia out? Because, so we read the judgment now, she even gave Atachia enough time to also write their submission. Now, when you read the last part of a judge ruling now, or see, the court will by this extend the time of filing written addresses from the 17th to the 24th, meaning the judge, nobody was compelling the judge to even extend the time of written submission. It's an option. If you want to write it, then I'm giving you time to write it. If you don't want to write it, I don't give a fuck about it. But a judge in her own wisdom, wanting people to say, at least I'm being transparent. I don't want people to say, oh, I did not even allow it because I'm not supposed to demand for written submission. It is not part of my judgment. The law does not compel the judge to say without written submissions from the lawyers, she cannot or he cannot bring out his judgment. So the question is, why did the judge even give him more? The judge was being more lenient from day one. Much now how they have abused the court. The court was being lenient to Chairman Wontumi and his lawyers. For the judge to even say, I've moved it from 17 to 24th, the judge was even being lenient. The judge knows it is not important. But if it's for the optics, fine, I'll give you 24, write it and go and show it out. So from the 17th to 24th, Atachia could not contact Apia Kubi. Atachia wants to tell me when Apia Kubi was handing over Chairman Wontumi's case to him, Apia Kubi didn't give him the proceedings of the court. Is that what Atachia wants to tell the judge tomorrow? When Atachia was given in room from 17 to 24th, Atachia came back to tell us that the registry did not give him the documentation. So you could see clearly that a plan, the same 442 formation, he wants to continue. It is the abuse of the court. So with me, or when you ask us, Loud Silence Media, my editorial team, we believe that the court should not even listen to Atachia. Because you see, let's be realistic, let's be real here with this matter. Say me a criminal case that me sonne. If I'm being accused, we are talking about Gift Owari is being accused of criminal things in Ghana. Obi to say a SkyTrain, a criminal case. We are talking about a buffer stock, a criminal case. There are so many criminal cases at Air Court. The lawyers are watching. And with all due respect, I am talking to the judge. You yourself said that there are no rules binding you at the end of the day that without written submission, you cannot come out to your pronouncement, which is fine. We understand, we respect that. Now imagine, all these smart lawyers are omia lawyers to these accused criminals, trial and then. What they are going to do is, if tomorrow, Sir Judge Way, knowing that written submissions are optional and not mandatory, and no law in Ghana in the legal framework is mandates any judge to say without written submissions, I cannot come out with my judgment. If tomorrow, say Judge Way, 6 weeks, go and write out, what is going to happen is all the criminal cases we are seeing in court, and we are working with precedents here. This is legal field. We are talking about precedents. SkyTrain lawyers, Gift Owari lawyer, buffer stock lawyer, all the criminal cases in court today are oral. Lawyers. Remember, Sir Judge Way, with all due respect to the judge, Ochina decided to be granted Atachia 6 weeks. So uncle now Abra Odim say mandatory from her own ruling. No, what is going to happen? And say, some cases when they will drag it. Now lawyers of these respective cases will drag the case. Eka 1 month. Not judge, adding the judgment taba. They will come and tell you, the accused will tell the court to say, you know what, I don't want like my lawyer again. And that I am bringing you a new lawyer. And what that lawyer is going to say is that I am basing my application on that application that was granted when Atachia took over from Apia Kubi as a new lawyer who was given 6 weeks. So me too, right now, the accused has changed his lawyer. I am the new lawyer. I am also telling you, and court is all about basing on your statement on facts and evidence. all the lawyers are going to wait. So, Ochina, if this judge respectfully, this honorable judge says, oh, attach 6 weeks, all the criminal cases, we will never finish the cases. I'm telling you. All those cases, none of them will be concluded in Ghana. Because all that you need to do is that, as an accused person, get 4 lawyers on standby. Every time your case echo close, no new lawyer, another one about you know what, I need to go back and look at the whole case again. So, with all due respect, my lord, give me 6 months. I need to go back because this case has been in court for 3 years. I have to go back from day one and analyze. Or koba wie na also 2 days my judgment about. Or say I don't want to work with this client again. Now another lawyer about. Can you stop them? No, because the precedents have been set. Because you, the judge, with all due respect, you created that room. You have created that hole, and all of them are going to use it. Let me tell you, when it comes to cases in court, you know the Gamanches case in court. When my case was in court, the smart lawyers of the Gamanche basically. Some of their argument in court was based on my case in the Supreme Court. Yeah, you know, go and read. Because no case is stupid case. So all these criminals, they are lawyers. They are sitting and they are waiting. They want this judge to open that window tomorrow. And you will see what will happen in Ghana. No criminal case will end in Ghana. Because if they are presidents, you cannot tell me you won't give me that. Why did you... the court, and at that point they are not looking at you, the judge. They are looking at the court as a body. Until when you refuse to give them, they will go to Supreme Court, they will go to appeals court, because why did you give Kevin Taylor, you don't want to give me? And this is law. You cannot say that, oh, the last time the judge gave, I cannot give. No, the lawyers will say, me too, I am changing, I have been changed. You need to give the new judge, the new lawyer, that 6 months, 6 weeks, and it's going to be part of our legal framework. It is dangerous. The moment Atachia is granted this tomorrow, our legal system will break down. No criminal will enter jail. No criminal can be prosecuted. No judgment can be read in Ghana, because now all that you do is you wait. Judgment bar. Eka 3 days, no change new lawyer. Who change new lawyer and new one bar? Or say, please, let's start from beginning. Okay, so on TSS, no, let's go back. The president, it happened in 2026. Atachia took over from Apia Kubi, and he was given 6 weeks. The same court. Why are you choosing today? Now I'm going to go to appeals court. I'm going to appeal that 6 months. So we need to be careful. And I believe that Ochinano, this judge, I don't know this judge, but I believe say or a one smart judge or wabutra or a very transparent. And the lawyer for Chairman Wontumi onim dia oye. Let's not create any room for these people to destroy our judiciary. Because Ochina, your boy whom is a mistake. Ne say, oh, Apia Kubi, and a dema attaching, go 2 weeks. Even 2 weeks is dangerous. 1 day is dangerous. I am telling you. Because all these criminal lawyers, all these lawyers defending these criminals in Ghana, they are waiting. Obuoha, or you said the next 6 months, the case, no judgment, beba, or train. Obuoha in the next 1 year, or you said the case, no judgment, beba. Obuoha, you said in the next few weeks, judgment, beba. They are waiting. Tomorrow, if this judge grant Atachia this, no case will end in Ghana. I'm telling you. And you see why the MPP is doing this? They know that the MPP, they have an election. And NPP to conduct national executive elections between September 18th and 20th. Now, on the Atachia for 6 weeks. 6 weeks, no, it will enter into August. Now, you can even say, oh, now said this one, August, this September, this is what they are trying to do. So we wait to free war. What is happening? And they say, the judiciary in Ghana, the Ghana judiciary's major annual break, the long vacation is about to happen. Officially takes place from August 1st through September 30th. Now, Atachia with 6 weeks, it will enter August 1st, meaning technically there will be legal vacation. The legal vacation takes about September, about 3 months. Odianya is a limited 2 months, meaning for the next 2 to 3 months, there will not be court. What is going to happen is, it means during this period, superior courts are generally on break, but selected courts, typically within the law court complex in Accra, are designated to sit on rotation to handle urgent and pending cases. When they say selected court, it could be that where Chairman Wontumi's case is not part of the selected court, meaning Chairman Wontumi's case will never end. There are two things now attaching pushing this case to MPP primaries. Now Mutumbe Chairman Wontumi, then the conversation would turn around. Kofi Benton and Kwasi Afoma now. Oh, you see, the national chairman of the MPP, Chairman Wontumi, is being persecuted. They want to print that message out. They want to create that impression that the NDC government, when they came into power, a criminal who was involved in illegal mining, where he was put before court with all evidence showing, hey, that guy is the national chairman of the MPP. So to them, it is not about the law being applied. To them, it's about using the law against us to protect their criminals. And the judge, given 3rd of July, the judge should not, even holiday also set it, not already judgment in the Ghana for. Because a mistake. Now allow this judge, with all due respect to the judge, a mistake, now judge now allow this to happen. Atachia is not here. Atachia does not have any evidence to protect Chairman Wontumi. Atachia onim law papebia. Atachia is somebody coming in to delay the court, to disrespect the court, to frustrate the system. So what they want to do is they want to go for their conference or whatever quickly. In Tomukope, fast. Na yan Chairman Wontumi, because Chairman Wontumi, the guy says he can or the share Bawumia campaign. We all know Chairman Wontumi works for Bawumia. And Bawumia is the one manipulating the party now. Onona Osheche so omunya pam kere de Japan, because onene yire no on the party come charge for. Now what Bawumia is doing now and say Monya nentam mama atachi anko delay Chairman Wontumi case no court. Send be my prime minister no na delegate na be Chairman Wontumi. Send be Chairman Wontumi ruling ne bana ebia etiana ne aka che wiase nyina say the national chairman of the NPP is being persecuted. But we all know Chairman Wontumi, what he has done, the reason why he's in court. Mamu Maya allowed the MPP to destroy everything. And I'll plead with the judge, with all due respect, Mr. Judge or Madam Judge, with all due respect, this is a very important case. Memenko Law School, so many people watching us, we have not been to law school. So far from the day this case started here, everybody has seen the transparency, the honesty of the case way. My interest is not to see Chairman Wontumi in jail. My interest is to make sure the right thing is done. Evidence, you write a judgment that nobody can contest. So I'm not here forcing anybody to jail Chairman Wontumi or let Chairman Wontumi go. My job here is to explain the process. If we are building, if we want to protect this nation, we need to do it right. Let's not allow some people, because of their political greediness, destroy the last pillar. Because the judiciary, basically, is the only thing that, at this point, some politicians are scared of. If we go tomorrow, we listen to Atachia, and we force Atachia, forces himself on us, lie to the court, and we basically swallow our own ruling and what the court is against. That is why I've read your own ruling to Ghanaians. And I know a judge like you with all the experience, say for once, and a nipa could be able to accuse you of anything. You have shown professionalism. Please, let's show this professionalism. Let your word be your word. Let your word be your word. And your word is that written submissions are optional. Written statements from lawyers does not affect judgment. In civil matters, a judge can mandate for that. In criminal matters, you said it clearly, nowhere in this world. And a written submission, a mandatory. So at this point, you have made us understand it is binding. Written submissions are not mandatory. You can go ahead and pronounce your judgment without even listening to Atachia. Atachia's post-court analysis, it's to his own benefit. It's his own opinion, and he can exercise it whether today or tomorrow. He has the right to do that. But the law, the court, only recognizes the evidence before you and the date you have put out. We will meet tomorrow. We will discuss Ghana. We will make it clear. Ochina, a year Attorney General being caught. Ochina, a year we will all monitor. And remember, you know one interesting thing? Atachia we are, he's trying to lie again in court. You know? He's the lawyer for Edubuahin. So, Madam Judge, Mr. Judge, you see what they are trying to do. If you listen to Atachia tomorrow and you grant Atachia 6 weeks, 2 weeks, even 2 days, the same Atachia will go to court and cite this same ruling by you tomorrow, if that is where we are going to go. Because Atachia is a lawyer for Edubuahin. Edubuahin's case is close. They are about to end the case. If you give Atachia this, which you know, and you have said to us that it is not mandatory, so because Atachia enco 6 weeks, enco written submission to judgment in Ba. Remember, Atachia is the lawyer for Edubuahin. And if you give Atachia this, when Edubuahin case ebedu and the judgment is about to be read, Atachia will step away, bring in Apia Kubi, and Apia Kubi will tell you that, do you remember this court? Because we are dealing with the court, not individuals. They will go to court and say, does the court remember that during Chairman Wontumi, Samra Boy criminal case, Atachia, who is now not Edubuahin's lawyer, contested that written submissions were important and that judgment was supposed to postpone. Do you understand? They will cite that. It will be the precedents they will be using. Atachia is setting 2 goalposts for himself. He wants to shoot without any goalkeeper in them. And that is what he will start from tomorrow. Let's not give them that. Especially when you, Mr. Judge, Madam Judge, you have made it clear that written submissions does not affect judgment of a case. Meaning, there is no case here for Atachia to make tomorrow. Meaning, Ochna, there is no case here. This guy is the same lawyer for Edubuahin. He will basically take Edubuahin to the final day and say, I'm no more his lawyer. Let Apia Kubi come take over, and Apia Kubi will cite Atachia's decision you are going to make tomorrow. So the best for us all as a nation, now that the law says it clearly, that written submissions in criminal cases are not mandatory, not important. Madam Judge, Mr. Judge, with all due respect, tomorrow, just quash this nonsense and then come out with a judgment.
We don't have to borrow money from anywhere. We don't have to borrow money from anywhere. Just toll the various sections of the road and we'll raise the money to do the roads in Ghana.